You may already have discovered that if you type a number into Excel with a leading 0, Excel removes it. Now this can be quite annoying if you're wanting to enter a telephone number or a part number beginning with a 0. For instance, I'll type the telephone dialing code for Hemel Hempstead into a cell, 01442, and then press enter. You'll see that Excel's removed the leading 0 as it assumes we're typing the number 1442 into the cell, and therefore we don't need a leading 0. Now to get around this, you can prefix the number with a single apostrophe. If I type the same number again but type an apostrophe first, 01442, and then press enter, you'll see that Excel keeps the leading 0. You might also notice that the data is left aligned within the cell, indicating that it's stored as a label rather than a value. The green tag is Excel's way of simply drawing your attention to the entry. If I click back on the cell containing the tag, the information button tells me that the number in the cell is formatted as text and preceded by an apostrophe. Well, that's no surprise, as we just enforced that. But sometimes, especially when importing data from other applications, this can happen by accident. So you'll see that if I click on the information button, there are various options, one of which is to convert it to a number. We don't want to do that as it will remove the 0. But if I click on another option, ignore error, you'll see that the tag disappears. In fact, we could have ignored the green tag completely as it doesn't print and eventually it would disappear on its own accord. On the next sheet, you'll see there's a simple table, and in the second column we need to enter the telephone dialing code for each of our contacts. Rather than having to type an apostrophe before each number, we can format that column in the table as text only. I'll select that column in the table and then using my right mouse button, I'll select Format Cells. Now I can select Text and click OK. Let's test it out. I'll type a few different dialing codes in column B. 01494, 01296. There, no need for the apostrophe. If the green tag starts to annoy you, it's possible to remove it from all the cells. Click on one cell containing the green tag, click the Information button and select Error Checking Options. Under Error Checking Rules, uncheck the option Numbers formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe and then click OK. You'll see all the green tags have disappeared, and you will need to bear in mind that this has become a default setting across all your Excel workbooks. If you should wish to enable that option again, you can do so by clicking File, Options, and then Formulas. At the bottom of the menu, under Error Checking Rules, you'll see that you can disable Numbers formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. I'll leave it as it is on this occasion. So there you go, you've now learned how to use an apostrophe to keep a leading 0 in front of a number, and also how you can format cells as text only.